So butter chicken originated in the late or mid 1950s in Delhi, and the sole purpose of making this dish was to recycle the products. Like back then, the leftover tandoori chickens could not be eaten the next day as it would get tough and fibrous. So the cooks decided to make a light tomato based gravy in which they simmered these leftover tandoori chickens. By this, what happened was, number one, the tandoori chickens became succulent and juicy, and number two, the gravy got infused with a very mellow, smoky flavor which they got from the chickens which was grilled in the tandoor. Now, since this dish was created in the mid 1950s, it became quite popular among the Britishers as well. So they made their version of chicken tikka butter masala, but the main difference being their version has a heavy use of cream, whereas we use cashew nuts as a thickener. Now, basically, this recipe should be made by using leftover tandoori chicken or chicken tikkas, which is leftover from the night before. But since it's not possible, you can make your own tikka marination, which I'll be showing you, and grill the chicken first and then put it in the gravy. So, without wasting any more time, guys, let's make the best restaurant style butter chicken. If you do not have an oven at home, you can always grill the chicken on an open flame. So Makhni gravy is a light, creamy, tomato-based gravy which is mainly made out of onions and tomatoes, and the color is obtained from the ripe red plum tomatoes and the Kashmiri red chili powder. Now guys, do not use any kind of colors guys, because it's very harmful for your health. And once you know how to make this Makhni gravy, you can almost add anything, any kind of protein to the gravy, be it chicken, fish, eggs, paneer, any kind of protein guys, and it would make a perfect combination. So let's get started. Now at this stage, cook the onions and tomatoes on a medium flame. Remember guys, we don't want to brown the onions and the tomatoes. We want to retain the red color of the plum tomatoes and the Kashmiri red chili powder. I prefer adding the Kashmiri red chili powder into the hot butter because it would bring more vibrancy and color to the dish. Honey is added to the makhni gravy in order to balance the sourness of the tomatoes. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to Bongpati Seer and press the bell icon.